Hey, what's up, YouTube? So, this video ended up being a much longer process than I originally had expected. Um, yeah, quad was worse off than I originally thought. Um, had to end up replacing an ESC because the ESC that I had in there didn't have like solder pads, separate solder pads, so I was trying to solder to the connector pads. Those things were so small that was not happening, so I just gave up and slapped a new AC in there. Um, the AC is still fine. Sorry, the ESC that I took out is still fine. It works and everything. It's just I was not getting that soldering job done. Um, yeah, but yeah. So the video's kind of all over the place because I thought it was gonna be a quick kind of repair thing, and ended up not being. Um, So yeah, this is about a month and a half later. I think it took me like 2 weeks to fix my quad. Been flying it since. It's been fine. Literally just messed up that connector. Everything else was fine. Didn't kill a camera. VTX is still good. All the motors are still good. Oh, so not a big deal. Took longer than I expected though. Hey, what's up, YouTube? Hope everybody's happy, healthy, and safe. So this is follow-up video. Might be next day, but this is like still current ginger. Just got back after it crashed. Yeah. Quads, like I said, it was just that pin that got ripped off, so I'm gonna have to solder the wires from the flight controller to ESC, which will be a little bit annoying, but should be fairly easy to do. So I'm gonna do that. But I cut it now because I wanted to kind of vlog the whole repair bit, just because I've never done that, and I don't know, to you know, practice. I'm trying to do this YouTube thing, somewhat. And but anyways, I wanted to vlog the repair process, so I wanted to show the quad before, what it looked like. It's definitely seen worse. If you've seen, I don't even know, that video was like a year ago, probably, maybe, I don't know, 6 months ago. But yeah, the arm got a little warped a little bit, just a little. Yeah, that's got a little wobble to it. So yeah, I'm gonna tear that arm apart. Not that I really want to, but I kind of need to. I'm gonna tear that arm off and get that straightened out to begin with, and then I'll vlog the rest of like the soldering and whatnot. But I'm gonna take the arm apart for right now, and we'll see where we're at. I guess I'll do. Yeah, I guess I'll show you disassembling the quad. I'm just gonna do it on my washer and dryer because I got my my drone dresser drawer thing over there, so I'm just gonna tear this down. So here we go. Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is like day 3 of the saga of fun. Um, we're getting it fixed today. I gotta solder flight controller ESC, put the arm back on, put the motors back on, and just fly it. Time lapse time.
Something out the dome grows. I feel that bass. Watching all the light moves upon your face. It's like a dream.
I got wore out just watching that back. Oh my goodness, that was so much more difficult than it needed to be. I struggled so much on that. Um, yeah, so that's the fun side of FPV. You get to fly it, crash it, and then the headache of repairing it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I realized that I forgot to record an outro, so here we are. Yeah, hope everybody's happy, healthy, and safe. And get out there and fly.